announcement of Shuvendu Adhikari's win in Nandigram. That's a big breaking news update coming in. Shuvendu Adhikari has won in Nandigram by 1,736 votes. I repeat, Shuvendu Adhikari has won by 1,736 votes. It's an official announcement now coming in from the Election Commission, which has said that Shuvendu has won. He secured about 1,09,673 votes, while Mamata Banerjee secured 1,07,937, and Shuvendu has won by 1,736. That's the number. That's the official number of votes by which Shuvendu has won as per the Election Commission. That's the official confirmation that is coming. Let me go across to Anupama joining us on the phone line. Anupama, getting in the official confirmation now of Shuvendu's victory.
बिल्कुल देखिए, सुबह से 30 का गेम चल रहा था। लग रहा था कि क्योंकि आपको याद होगा कि शुरुआती दौर में शुभेंदु अधिकारी आगे चल रहे थे, लेकिन जैसे जैसे दिन बढ़ा वैसे वैसे ममता बनर्जी जो है वो आगे चलने लग गई। कई हजार वोटों से वो आगे चल रही थी, लेकिन शाम 6:10 पर जब लास्ट अपडेट हुआ था इलेक्शन कमीशन की वेबसाइट लेकिन अब सबसे बड़ी खबर निकलकर सामने आई कि शुभेंदु अधिकारी नंदीग्राम से, जहां पर क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर मैं नंदीग्राम में हजारों वोटों से नहीं जीता तो मैं संन्यास ले लूंगा राजनीति से, और अब ये खबर निकलकर सामने आ रही कि 1700 कमीशन की तरफ से देखिए ये फाइनल अनाउंसमेंट है। क्योंकि आपको याद होगा कि आज से कुछ ही देर पहले ममता बनर्जी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी की थी, जिसमें उन्होंने सीधे तौर पर दरअसल ये कहा था कि अगर जो भी नंदीग्राम की जनता जनादेश देगी उसको मैं स्वीकार करूंगी। हालांकि उन्होंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट की धमकी भी दी कि अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से कुछ गड़बड़ी की जाती है या कुछ भी ऐसा होता है तो मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक का रुख करूंगी। और हालांकि इतिहास उठाकर अगर हम देख ले तो आपको याद होगा कि ऐसी कितनी भी घटनाएं हुई हैं, चाहे ईडी की।
शुभेंदु अधिकारी के सर पर जीत का सेहरा बन गया है। शुभेंदु अधिकारी ने ममता बनर्जी को 1700 से ज्यादा वोटों से हरा दिया है। ईश्वर है इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर।
Yeah, that's an official confirmation. In fact, that's coming in now. Earlier, you know, there was some confusion as news agency ANI also posted that, you know, Mamata had won by 1,200 votes. But getting in the breaking news update now that Shuvendu has won Nandigram. Shazia's outside the counting center, and Election Commission officially saying that Shuvendu had won by 1,736 votes. This is the breaking news update coming in. Some time back, we also had a few minutes back, Mamata Banerjee also conceded defeat while speaking to the media in that speech. While she has won the state of Bengal, the prestige battle of Nandigram going to Shuvendu Adhikari, former Trinamool Congress leader who joined the BJP recently, a campaign in which we saw the senior-most leaders of the BJP join Shuvendu in Nandigram and campaign for him. And an official word now coming in that Shuvendu has won the battle for Nandigram. In fact, let's play out that soundbite where Mamata conceded a few minutes back. Let's play that out.
Salute to my motherland, salute to my all the people from Bengal and all the people from all over the country. Now, Bengal saved the country. I am proud to say that Bengal saved the country, and we are proud of it. And regarding oath-taking ceremony, we will do a very small way because COVID is in process. And I appeal to all of my workers not to go for any victory rally or anything right now, because we will do the victory rally after the COVID situation is over. And now we have to work for COVID, and I will request the central government to give free vaccine to all the peoples, 140 crores people. It is a matter of only 30,000 crores. So 30,000 crores is nothing for a central government, and they have the Reserve Bank and they have the other capacity. So if not, then I will start my movement. I will fight for COVID and fight as a street corner. I will start my Ahimsa movement in front of Gandhi statue also. Today I just said all this. So many people, they congratulated us. We are so grateful. Individually, I am going to thank them, but collectively also I am telling we are thankful and our humble regards to everybody, everyone and everybody. So please give us blessings. You have seen that how money power, muscle power, mafia power. And election commission, I must say, how they fought with us, just like a BJP spokesperson. Even really I am sorry, when I raised the issue for Nandigram, you people didn't believe that how they looted. You see the other state, full of state given one mandate, and one constituency, can they give the other mandate? Is it possible? It is not. It is totally, they were stopped surveillance, they have stopped survivor about 3 hours, they announced the winning, and after that they are saying something. So this is some looting is going on, some cheating is going on. We will fight in the court case, we will file the court case, and we will fight for that. That is only one seat, we don't mind for that, because Bengal won the match. And it is that my target was 2-1. You know, my two candidates will be winning later on, because Murshidabad, 2 seats, the election is not taking place, it is on 16. Both the seats are our MLA. And Kharda also, we lost Kajol Sinha. That seat also he won. There also we have to go for election. That seat also we have to go for election. And so I think that 2-1 will cross. Let us cross the fingers, and I must congratulate my people, all the people. And I am grateful to my Bengal people, and whatever we have given the commitment to the people, we will fulfill all the commitment. And don't worry for Nandigram, forget one thing. For struggle, you have to sacrifice something. I struggled for Nandigram because I fought a movement, so I have forgotten now. It's okay. Let the Nandigram people, whatever they have given the verdict, I accept that. I don't mind for that, because it's a match. It is nothing. So we won more than 2-1 seat. That is a landslide victory. And BJP has lost the election, and they have played so many dirty politics, dirty tricks. Even all the officers are saying, with high officials, you are under watch, you are under watch, you are under watch. I know each and everything. So it's okay that we have faced the horrible situation, we have faced the horror of the election commission, but ultimately I will go to Constitution bench, because whatever they have done for this time in Bengal, the bias, in the bias way, if you tolerate like this, then India, there will be no democracy. I will appeal all the political parties also. We will go jointly to the Supreme Court, and we will ask the Constitution bench. There must be something, some limitation, some Lakshman Rekha for the election commission also. Only 3 nominated men, and here the retired officer, they cannot control this country. They have to take care also for the democracy.